Hello and welcome to the new Zesty.io Manager app interface. Here on the dashboard we have some new elements for you. We have article accelerators. These are actions that let you quickly jump to the past three models that you were working in, as well as the past three items within those models. This is a great way to get back to the work that you were previously doing. Along with this redesign, we have a new navigation that allows you to be able to collapse areas that you no longer need to have access to. For users who have large sets of content, large sites, this can be a very helpful way to control what you're seeing. When creating a new item in a model, there's a few ways to accomplish that now. You can use an accelerator to quickly create a new item within the model you previously worked in. You can go to your top left and hit your new item drop down. This will give you a complete list of all models that you can create items for. For example, we can create a new article. When creating an item, you will notice that the meta settings are now located at the bottom of the view. While entering in content, the meta settings will automatically update. The UI is intelligent enough to determine when you're entering in content into an editor field and matches that to the description field. But as always, you can customize that if needed. Once you're satisfied with your new article, you can go ahead and hit Create New Item. You'll notice in the item editing view, things are laid out in a few new places. You'll find a link to the public article if you have a domain set here. You can also find a link to the preview article here. Publishing can be done via the Publish button, as well as scheduling can be done via the Schedule flyout. You'll also find the UI is a little stricter on publishing and saving. Since I have a change here, a version that has not been published, I can publish it right away. Once published though, I can't publish again until I have a new version. And once I've made a change, I can now save my new version. Once saved, I can publish again that specific version. You'll also find that we now list the version status for what's published and the status of what you're viewing here on the right-hand side. Along with the new UI, our WYSIWYG has changed to allow you to be able to switch between various WYSIWYG views. So if I'd like to, I can quickly switch to Markdown and author my content that way. As well as I can view the HTML that's generated, which can be edited directly. Or if I want to, I can jump back to my WYSIWYG and see those changes reflected. Previously, the UI had a footer which contained links to things like our sitemap tool and the live preview. These are now located up top. Our table views have also changed quite a bit. Now, when loading a list of items, you'll be able to make edits directly in line for simple fields. For instance, I can change my sort order directly within the table or change the toggle. Once that change has been done, I'll need to save it in order to persist it. And this concludes our preview of some of the changes in the new Manager app UI.